YouTube channel, long time no see. I am back today filming a unboxing video and yeah, I just wanted to do a quick intro because I've been gone for a little while, other than sort of like random vloggy type videos, and the reason being is just because I've been so busy with work and things like that. So yeah, I'll get started because I don't know where to start because I haven't filmed in so long. But the video today is the NYX, or NYX, I call it NYX, Diamonds and Ice 24-day holiday, or yeah, holiday countdown. And yeah, basically let's get on with the unboxing. This is really exciting because there are, I think there are 12 lip products in here, which is a lot, and I love a good lip product, so I thought I would buy this and see what I thought. So at the time of buying this product, buying this advent calendar rather, I paid, I think it was £30, but I'm going to go double check now. Tummy's rumbling. It was, let me just double check. Okay. Here we go, view order details, because the price has changed since I purchased it. So it was $35.99 when I got it, which I think is really good value for money. But yet if I go online and try and look for it now, Diamonds and Ice Advent Calendar, it's $44.83 now, which is a lot higher, and I probably wouldn't, well obviously we'll see what's in there, but I don't think I'd pay that much for an advent calendar. So this is kind of your sort of high street end calendar if you like, but I think if you kind of were just building up your makeup collection, this is a really good one to try. So let's get on with the video. So it opens like this, and it's literally, I have had a little peek at it, but it just goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes like that, so you don't have to like try and find it, because I think that'd be kind of impossible trying to find all the numbers. So let's get on with door number 1. So awkward to like hold these things and open at the same time, so I'll just open door number 1. It's so weird opening these when it's not December. Like, I don't know how anyone does advent calendar unboxings for like Christmas and does all of them, because it's like, yeah, I couldn't do it. It's just, it breaks every code, doesn't it, opening them before December. It's like crazy. So the first item we've got is a lipstick, and that was going to be obvious, wasn't it, right? So we've got the, so this is obviously a red one. It's called Perfect Red, and that's what it looks like. That's a really good red. I'm not obviously going to put it on my lips because I've got lipstick on already. And yeah, it's a really good, nice staple. So that is behind door number 1. And these are, I don't know whether these are full size or what, someone will have to let me know, but yeah, everything will be linked down below anyway. So that's door number 1. We'll go for door number 2, obviously. This is a bigger product, so there's little like hatches where you can kind of open. And then this is behind door number 2. It is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I guess you put this on under foundation, I'm not sure. And that is that. I'm going to just put a little bit on my hand to see. I've never used anything like this ever before, so I'm not sure what you even do with it. But it's just like that, and it feels really nice. I'm guessing it goes under foundation, but I don't know. But it's not something I have ever used, but it's a nice product anyway. So that's behind door number 2. Now we'll go to door number 3. There's a little thing here, so you just pop it and then go like that. And this is a lip gloss, and it looks like, okay, fine. So I think I've had something like this before. I usually go for the Boots collection one, so not collection 2000, the Boots collection one, and they usually smell really nice. So, and this smells really nice as well, and I bet you it's going to be really similar to that one that I wear really often, and it really is, and it feels so nice. That's what it looks like, if you can see that. It's just a really nice kind of, I would say that's like a neutral nude kind of peachy pink colour. It's nice. So I'm really going to like that, I can tell already, because I like a good neutral nude lip. Now we'll go to door number 4. Here we go, and we've got an eyeshadow, and this looks really nice. The colour is Glam Purple, and that's really, really nice, and it's just a shimmery purple shade, which is super cute. That's that. And we'll go to door number 5. Okay, so it goes across like that, as opposed to like that, like I said before. My nail's going to ping off, which is so annoying. I've only worn it for this video. Here we go. And then this is Everything Lip Scrub behind door number 5. Looks like that. I've never seen that before. I'm going to open it and smell it and see what it's like. Oh wow, it smells really nice. It's like, you know that like, oh, what is it? It almost smells like some sort of toy I've had when I'm younger. You know, one of those little dolls that you had when you were younger, like a cupcake doll thing? It smells like that, and it smells really good. So I'm going to pop it back in, and then we'll go to door number 6, which is here. And again, it's another lip gloss. This one's called a butter gloss, and it is in shade Angel Food Cake. I know I'm going to like this one as well. It's just typical Becky kind of lip glosses, or lip creams if you like. That one's really nice. I'm going to have to repurchase these when they run out, I know it. But that's really, really, really nice. And it's like not a matte one, it's shiny. So it's like more of a gloss. Really, really nice. I really like that. Then we're going to go on to door number 7. Wow, this is hard work unboxing advent calendars, but it's super fun. Then we've got a eyeshadow in this one. Super hard to get out with these nails on, I tell you. Ridiculous. And this is in shade Crystal, and it's like just a silvery kind of glitter. So I can imagine when you put that on, yeah, it's like, I don't even know if that's going to come up very well. But it's not really my colour, but it's nice all the same. So that's number 7. And then behind door number 8, which is here, we've got another lip gloss. And it's oh no, it's not a lip gloss, it's a lip oil. This is Everything Lip Oil in sheer. Yeah, so this is Everything Lip Gloss or Lip Oil in sheer. I'm not too sure how you're supposed to use this. Is it over a lipstick or over a lip gloss? I'm not sure, but all the same, it looks really, really nice. So I'm going to enjoy using that. Now we're going to go on to door number 9, which is all the way down here. And we've got another lip oil, which is strange considering there was one in day 8. Yeah, there was. The one we just opened. So this one is in sheer blush. I'm going to have to Google what these are used for. So if you can see the consistency, I'm going to try and get as close as possible so you can actually see what it's like. But it's kind of like, so it says lip oil. So it's not something I've ever like encountered before. I've never seen anything like this. So it'll be interesting to see what people use this for, because I have no idea. So I just googled what the lip oil formula is like, and it just says if you're thinking it's going to be the same as a lip balm, this isn't for you, but it's more hydrating than a gloss or a satin lipstick, so it's not going to dry your lips out. Really nice everyday product. And that was on the NYX website. And then I've googled what does NYX lip oil do, and it just says lip oil smoothly glides on your lips, enhancing your pucker perfectly. It's infused with argan oil and jojoba, is that right? to nourish and hydrate your lips, and it leaves your lips with a natural looking glow you'll love showing off. So okay, so we're going to move on now to box or door number 10, which is here. And we've got another big product here. It's the liquid illuminator in shade Gleam. So you can obviously see from the packaging it's going to be a slightly darker colour. So that's that. That's a really nice product. Very like a nice finish. So that's that. I'm just going to pop that back in and move on to the next door. So we're on door number 11 now. Wow, it's so hard to open. Oh, this is my colour definitely. Okay, so we've got a another soft matte lip cream here, which I'm going to open for you. Here we go. Okay, so that's the lip cream. It's kind of like wine sort of colour. And then the swatch of that is there. Hopefully you can see it. But that's really, really nice. That's going to be a favourite for me, I know it. I love anything that sort of colour. Goes well with a nice lip liner. So, and then we're going to go to door number 12. And we've got a lip balm. I'm going to try and take that out. My nails that keep pinging off, it's driving me crazy. Right, come on Bex, you can do this. Oh my god, I would be no good at doing these as a like a whole month thing, would I? It's like my nails keep pinging off. I'm sure it'll be fine with normal acrylics and not there we go, and not the press-on ones. There we go, so that's just a lip balm. So that's that. Then we're going to move on to day 13. So it goes slightly up and across. And then we've got a finishing powder. So I won't take that out, you can just see that. It's just a finishing powder there. It says HD finishing powder, mineral based. That's that. That's not something I tend to like use. Number 14 we're going to open now. And then we've got another lipstick, which is good because we haven't done lipstick in a while, have we? So here is the lipstick colour. That's another one of my nails pinged off. And it's in the shade Natural. If you can see that. There we go. And then I'll just do a quick swatch of it. And it's the one at the top there, which is really, really nice. So I'm going to enjoy using that one as well. I'm going to try all of these, and anything that I love I will let you know in an upcoming video. Number 15 we're going to go for now, and it's another gloss, and this is the Creme Brulee Butter Gloss, and that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to swatch it on my other hand now, so you can kind of see what it looks like. That's it. That's a lot lighter. It's probably not a colour that I would use, but even still it's going to be nice. And then we're going to go into door number 16 now, and that is another eyeshadow. And this is the eyeshadow colour, and it's kind of more like a gold bronze. It is the golden bronze. And they remind me, you know, the Maybelline colour tattoos. They kind of remind me of that, but I obviously these aren't like the ones that like are sticky, and I'm assuming there'll be a lot of fallout with that, but I've not used them before. So we're going to go to door number 17 now, and again it looks like a very similar colour. I'm not too happy with that because they're pretty much the same. I'm just going to do a side by side. They're literally identical. This one's called Bronze Goddess, and this one is, look at that. They're pretty much the same. There's very little difference between the two, and I'm actually going to do a swatch of both. So that is the Bronze Goddess one. And then that is the, wow, they're very similar. Very, very similar. The Bronze Goddess one is a bit more like yellowy. But they're very, very similar. I don't know why they would have put two in like that. That's really strange. But that's it. That's life, isn't it? And then we've got door number 18. They're just too similar, aren't they? Door number 18 is this kind of thing I like. It's Siren. It's just another like deep wine sort of colour. It won't be everyone's cup of tea, but I really, really like those sort of deep reds. They're my favourite. Then we're going to go for door number 19, which is all the way over here. Just get this opened. I'll turn them over. And it's another lipstick. And the one we've got is, it's called Whipped Caviar. And that's that. That looks really nice. I'll do a swatch of it for you. And that's that. Looks really nice. Again, this is right up my street, so I'm really happy with that. To be honest, everything in this calendar, apart from those two eyeshadows that look pretty much identical, is really good. Then I'm going to go to door number 20, which is here. I'm just going to put it on my lap and open it because they're getting harder to do with my nails pinging off. And then we've got another eyeshadow. This one looks really nice. It's a rose gold. I'll just do a quick. So that's what it looks like. And then that's what the swatch is like. And then we'll go for number 21, which is here. And it looks like a lip gloss, possibly. Oh no, it's not. It's an eyeshadow base. It's called Pro Makeup Professional Makeup HD Studio Eyeshadow Base. So this looks really nice. I'm going to use that because I never do stuff like that. I never bother with like eyeshadow bases, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to try it and tell you what I think. Then we're going to go to box number 22. So this is a 24-day advent calendar. I did say that at the beginning, but so we've got two after this. Then we've got another eyeshadow, which is there. And that's the eyeshadow. And the colour is Antique Gold. And I'm going to just quickly do a swatch for you. There we go. That's that. And then we're going to move on to box 23. We're going to move on to door number 23. Which is here. It's nearly done. We've got 2 doors left to go. And again, we've got another lip gloss. And this is the Butter Gloss again. And this is the shade Tiramisu. And that's that. And here's a swatch of it as well. It's really nice. Again, it's a colour that I really like, so I know that I'm going to enjoy using it, definitely. And then we're on the final door, door number 24, and it's a big product again, and it is the NYX Professional Pore Filler primer or base. So I know I'm going to enjoy using that because who doesn't like primer? And that is it. That is the video. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. I think that is 100% worth £35. 100% without a doubt, because I'm assuming, well, I don't even really know the price of NYX products, but for me, all of the lipsticks in there, like, it's nice to get a try of something else. I'll usually like just use, as I say, like whatever I find in like Boots or whatever, like anything. I'll just pick the one that I want. So yeah, that is the NYX Diamonds and Ice 24-day unboxing. If you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!